Relpol is the largest Polish manufacturer of electromagnetic relays. It is a company with long tradition, rich experience, and Polish capital, whose shares are quoted at the Warsaw Stock Exchange. Since 1958, we have been continuously developing in order to meet the strict requirements of our customers. We pay special attention to the research and development. Our investment projects not only enhance the quality and production capacity, but they also have a positive environmental effect. We constantly work on the modernization of the production process. That is why our products are purchased all over the world. The sub-miniature and miniature relays are used in printed circuit boards for control and measurement instruments, medical apparatus, household appliances, lighting control, monitoring and alarm systems, PLCs. The industrial and interface relays are used in industrial automation and power engineering, air conditioning and ventilation, heating and cooling systems, control systems and electric switchboards. The bistable relays, contactors and installation relays are designed for control of lighting in public facilities and residential buildings. The relays for photovoltaic systems are used in solar inverters and for connections of photovoltaic systems with power networks. Relpol offers also solutions for railroads. The relays with V0 flammability class are designed for control systems of lighting, monitoring and supply circuits, air conditioning and ventilation, passenger information devices and control switchboards. The lineid programmable relays are used, for example, in BMS, industrial and building automation and in ATS equipment. They are also applied in traffic management systems and in water, air conditioning, ventilation, heating and lighting systems. The time relays designed for low voltage systems are used mainly in industrial and building automation, in protection, signaling, alarm and lighting systems. Monitoring relays are used in low voltage systems for monitoring voltage, DC and AC currents in 1 or 3 phase net, and motor temperature. Relpol is a supplier of solid-state relays which are used in heating systems, various machines and devices, for example, for plastic production or the food industry. Our organization is founded on highly qualified specialists with long experience, which makes us a reliable partner in business and a recognizable, strong European brand, Relpol.